Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about volume of cylinders. Our essential question is, how do you find the volume of a cylinder given a radius and height? So first let's talk about what volume is. Okay, volume is going to be the measure of how much an object can hold. Okay, the units that we use for this is going to be cubed. So examples are centimeters cubed, inches cubed, or feet cubed, right? And the formula to find the volume of a cylinder for the volume of a cylinder is going to be B times H. So volume of cylinder will be B times H, where capital B is going to be the area of the base. In this case, the base is going to be a circle, right? So let's go ahead and put the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. And H is going to be the height of the cylinder, so the distance between the two circles. Okay, so let's go ahead and use BH to do our first question. In our first question, we have this cylinder right here. So I know my formula is V is equal to B times H, and so I need to find the area of the base and the height of the cylinder. Okay, so the area of the base, I'm going to use my pi r squared, and I can note that my radius in this drawing is going to be this 4, and my height of the cylinder is going to be the 20. Okay, so with this formula, I only have to put the r in. So I'm going to put in pi 4 squared in the calculator, and I should get 50.26. Okay, my height, it's 20, right? And so we're going to use these two numbers and put them into our formula. Whenever there's two numbers like B and H just together and there's nothing in between them, that means that we're going to multiply. So our volume, we're going to do 50.26 times 20. If you want to do the calculator, you can also do parentheses and 20. It's the same as multiplying. And so you should get 1005.3 centimeters, right? Centimeters. And that's going to be cubed with an exponent of 3. The next one, let's have this cylinder laying down. So we still have V is equal to base times height. We're going to find our area of the base and our height. So let's list out our radius and our height over here. So radius here, they give me the entire thing. That's a diameter, right? So to get the radius, we will only need half of it. Half of 8 is going to be 4. Okay. Our height, here it says 1, but if you notice, the units is different from the radius. So I'm not gonna put 1 foot. I'm gonna put 12 inches because 12 inches is the same as 1 foot. So my height is gonna be 12. Okay. So let's use those to find our area of the base and our height. So we have pi 4 squared for area of a circle. And so that will be 50.26, and our area of our height of our cylinder, so the distance between those two circles is going to be 12 inches. And to get my answer, I'm going to get B times H, which is 50.26 times 12, and our volume is going to be equal to 603.19, and it's not going to be feet cubed, it's going to be inches because we converted the foot to an inches, so it'll be inches cubed. Okay. For the next one, go ahead and find the volume, and pause the video. Okay, so hopefully you pause the video. You should have found, for the volume, you should have gotten, let's see. Well, first, for your radius, you should have gotten 10. For your height, 10, right? And the volume, you should have gotten pi 10 squared. That was your area of the base times your height. All that you should have gotten 3,141.59. Right, let's do this challenge question. Okay, the volume of a cylinder is 125.7 centimeters cubed. To find the height of the cylinder. Okay, so they give us this, right, which is if we look at our formula, B times H, they gave us V, right? V is 125.7. We need capital B and lowercase h. We can find capital B. Capital B is going to be the area of this circle right here. Okay, so if we find the area of that circle, that's pi 2 squared, which is going to be 12.57, roughly. Okay. And then we don't know what h is. We don't know what that is, but we can put this number into the V and this number into the B and try to find what h is. Okay. So if I put 125.7 is equal to 12.57 times h. Right, so I'm looking for a number. When I multiply this with some kind of number, I should get 125.7. Okay, the easiest way to do that is, since these are multiplying, the opposite of multiplying would be divide. So let's divide by 12.57. And so when we do this, on the left side it becomes a 10, and on the right side they cancel out to a 1, and we're just left with h. So here height is just 10. So this part right here is just 10 meters.